I'm Phillip Skipwith, and I graduated in 2008. So I majored in biology, and then my minor was creative writing, um, and I had a bachelor's degree in biology. I had to major in biology after I took Jack Connor's, I think it's Natural History of New Jersey course in 2004, and I always liked animals, and it made me want to keep working with animals. After finishing in 2008, I went on to work with Dan Hernandez and Roger Wood at the Wetlands Institute. So I was like a research assistant and an intern before that, helping interns and working on some of the research programs they had at the Wetlands Institute. In 2009, I did a 2-year master's at Villanova University, and I started working on like evolutionary genetics, evolutionary biology. And then for master's, I immediately went into a PhD at University of California, Berkeley, doing similar stuff, evolutionary genetics and biogeography, working on lizards, and now I'm working on my postdoc at the American Museum of Natural History, working on more morphology of snakes using genetic data. With Margaret Lewis on carnivore skull evolution. I had a really strong interest in paleontology. I still do. And then I worked with Dan Hernandez and Roger Wood, looking at the conservation of working on the conservation of shorebirds, diamondback terrapins, and shoe crabs. And that opportunity, that was my first field work, and I got to go to Chile working with Dan specifically. And the entire time I worked at the Wetlands Institute was mostly field work. I was field tech. Yeah. And I also got to work with like the Audubon Society and the Nature Conservancy doing seasonal work on shorebirds. So depending on your research interests, first off, figuring out what classes that you want to take, and which ones really draw your interest, because there's so many different fields in biology. But if you do find a particular subject that you are really interested in as an undergrad, find out which faculty members at Stockton do research or have a background in that field. Seeing if there are opportunities like I did with Margaret Lewis. I went up to Margaret and said, I like carnivores, what can I do with carnivores? And I was really instrumental because I had never seen a skull before this class. So having that connection with the faculty member on a personal level can really open up some doors, even if you're not working directly with them in terms of research, but they can get you in contact. I'd say it's far better than any other institution I've ever been. Because when I was there, it was like the major biology classes only had 30 students at most. Yeah. And having taught at Berkeley, there's a small introductory biology class will have 200 students or more. And that's a lot. Those faculty members don't know anybody's names. You'll never be able to sit down and really have a one-on-one relationship. They might have office hours, and Stockton's not like that. I feel like all my professors, even if they didn't remember me now, they knew my name if I raised my hand. And taught like there's no grad students at Stockton, at least there wasn't when I was there. So the labs were also taught by faculty members, so they were able to help people in the lecture, in the lab. At Berkeley and at Villanova, it was all taught by grad student instructors. So there's like an extra gap between the instructor and the student. So I'd say my learning experiences. I don't think I would be here right now if I had gone to a very large research institution for my undergrad. Like I may have given up on biology.